Do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell to get the latest update. Now again I am here with very interesting calculation trick. So let's start. So first number is 4139 multiplied by 11. What will be our first step? 4. We will write 4 here and this 9 here. Now we will do addition of every digits. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 9 is 12. So we will write 2 here and 1 here. Now we will write final answer 4, 5. This is 5, 2 and 9. This is the answer. After few practice you can do this calculation without pen and paper. Let's see next example. 3927 into 11. So we will write first digit 3, last digit 7. Now do addition. 3 plus 9, 12. 2 right here, 1 here. This is 11. 1 here and 1 here. Now this is 2 plus 7, 9. Now we will write final answer. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 1, 3. Now 1, 9 and 7. Here is the answer. Let's see next example. 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 7 multiply by 11. Same step we have to follow this 2 here and 7 the last. And now we will start to addition. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 2, 6. And 2 plus 7, 9. Here is the answer. Let's see next example. 2, 1, 2, 7 into 11. Similarly, we will write first and last digit 2 and 7. Now we will do addition. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. And 2 plus 9, 2 plus 7, 9. Here is the answer. I hope you like this video and you will get help with this video in your calculation. If you like the video, press the like button, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell to get the update of my new video on your YouTube. Thank you. Have a nice day.